Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to this beautiful walking tour of Ipema, Brazil. Today, we'll be exploring the stunning beaches of this world-famous destination, known for its breathtaking landscapes, crystal clear waters, and vibrant culture. I'm thrilled to share this experience with you and hope you'll enjoy every moment of it. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to click the like button if you're excited about this tour. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more exciting content like this in the future. Don't forget to write a comment below the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Now let's start our tour. Ipema is located in the south zone of Rio de Janeiro, and its beaches are among the most beautiful and famous in the world. The long strip of sand and turquoise water is divided into several beaches, each with its unique character and charm. Our first stop is the Arpoador Beach, located at the end of Ipema Beach. This beach is known for its stunning view of the sunset and its crystal clear waters, which are perfect for surfing and swimming. You can also find several kiosks along the beach where you can grab a drink or a snack. As we continue our walk, we'll come across the Ipema Beach, which is divided into several sections. Posto 9 is the most famous of all and is known for its lively atmosphere and young crowd. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed walking along the stunning beaches of Ipema with me. Don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment below the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!